Hey there, my friend, and welcome to Siren Consulting. First of all, so excited to have you here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, a little bit of good news, some bad news, and then possibly some good news at the end. First of all, the good news. First of all, that means congratulations, you're taking your business seriously. You're looking at doing some marketing. It's my belief that marketing is the single most important element to business success because it's marketing's job to bring in new leads, new customers, and new revenue for your business. Without that, well, don't really have a business, do we? So you're in the right place, and I'm going to make sure to direct you towards some good resources that will help with all of that. Now, the bad news. We are fully booked and we are waitlisted for quite a few months out. So whether you're looking for web design or social media or SEO or anything like that, we are fully booked at this time. This is one of the sad byproducts of doing a good job and keeping our clients around for a long time, is that unfortunately, we don't have the capacity to take on new clients. Now, some more good news. One of two things. First of all, if you fit the following criteria, there may be the opportunity for you to work with me personally in a consulting role. So if you have a 7-figure business, if you're looking to, you're in the online space, anything like that, I'm going to direct you to adamerhart.com, ADAMERHART.com, and there you'll find some information on working with me and possible opportunities there. On the other hand, if you're just getting started, if you're below that 7-figure mark, I would like to direct you to my YouTube channel, which has nearly 300 free video marketing trainings on there. So they should give you enough grounding, enough ideas and insights, and hopefully inspiration as well to guide you in the right direction and to help you sort of grow your business and hit that next level. All right, with all that said, thank you so much again for stopping by, and we'll talk to you soon.